If you're trying to figure out whether HostPapa or A2 hosting offers better shared hosting plans, you're in the right place. Let's get into a side by side comparison and see which one comes out on top in terms of performance, value, and overall reliability. Starting with HostPapa, they've built a strong reputation in the hosting industry by offering a range of affordable shared hosting plans. HostPapa's basic shared plan includes free website migration, a free domain name for the first year, and unlimited bandwidth. On paper, this sounds great, especially for beginners or small businesses. However, when it comes to performance, HostPapa doesn't shine quite as brightly. Their load times can be slower compared to some competitors, and while uptime is decent, it doesn't quite match the reliability of other top-tier providers. Next thing, A2 Hosting, known for their turbocharged plans, makes a bold claim with their speed. A2 Hosting offers shared hosting with a focus on performance, especially their turbo plans that promise up to 20x faster page loads. This is a major selling point, particularly for websites that rely heavily on speed for user experience and SEO. But here's the catch, the turbo plans come with a higher price tag. You're essentially paying more for speed, which might be overkill for smaller websites or blogs that don't require that level of performance. The regular plans are decent, but don't offer the same speed benefits. The third thing, both HostPapa and A2 Hosting provide a solid set of features, but when we look at their customer support, things get interesting. HostPapa offers 24/7 support, but their response times can be hit or miss. When I reached out, the help I received was okay, but not particularly quick. A2 Hosting, on the other hand, has an excellent reputation for customer support. Their response times are generally faster, and they have a team dedicated to helping with performance-related issues. This is important if you're running a business or anything that needs consistent uptime. Fourth, let's talk about pricing. HostPapa's plans start at a competitive price, making it a strong option for those on a budget. They're affordable, and their features are decent for the price. However, A2 Hosting isn't far behind, and if you're willing to invest a little more, the performance improvement, especially in speed, can justify the cost. Keep in mind, though, that A2 Hosting's turbo plans could quickly push your costs higher than HostPapa's. Lastly, both companies offer a money-back guarantee, so you have the flexibility to try them out risk-free. HostPapa gives you 30 days to get a refund, which is fairly standard. A2 Hosting offers a 30-day money-back guarantee as well, but they have a unique 30-day free trial for their turbo plans, so you can test out the extra speed without committing upfront. So, which one is better for shared hosting plans? While HostPapa offers solid features at an affordable price, A2 Hosting takes the lead with superior performance, particularly in speed. If you're running a website that depends on fast load times, A2 Hosting might be the better choice, though it comes at a premium. But here's the catch, both are great options, but there's something better for your hosting needs. After trying both myself, I found a service that outshines both HostPapa and A2 Hosting in terms of performance, support, and value. If you want a better alternative to HostPapa versus A2 Hosting for shared hosting, check out the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get an exclusive free trial with special benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity.